In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. If you've designed a presentation in Canva and want to bring it into PowerPoint without losing the movement and polish, this walkthrough will make the process smooth and predictable. Start by opening your presentation in Canva. This is where you'll set up any animations you want to carry over. In Canva, you can animate individual elements, like text boxes, images, and shapes, or apply simple page-level animations. Keep your effects clean and consistent. Subtle entrance or emphasis animations tend to translate better after export. If your design uses specialty fonts or very complex motion, consider simplifying those choices now to reduce cleanup later. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of Canva and click the Share button. This opens the export options for your design. From the file type choices, select Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. Choosing this format packages your slides into a PowerPoint-ready file and preserves as much of the structure and motion as possible. Click Download to generate the file. Once the download finishes, open the .pptx in PowerPoint. This is where you'll do a quick quality check. Because Canva and PowerPoint handle fonts and animations differently, you might see small changes. Text can reflow, and some animations can shift in timing or style. This is normal and easy to fix. Begin by reviewing your fonts. If something looks off, swap to a similar, widely available font to keep spacing and alignment consistent across devices. Next, check your slide timings and transitions. If a movement looks abrupt or is missing, reapply a simple animation using PowerPoint's built-in tools. Entrance effects like fade, wipe, or float in often match what you set in Canva closely enough to keep your original intent. Make minor timing adjustments so elements appear in the right order and at a pace that supports your message. As you fine-tune, keep a consistent animation style across the deck. Limit each slide to a handful of purposeful motions, and keep duration steady so your presentation feels cohesive. These quick refinements ensure your exported design looks professional and performs reliably in live settings or when shared with teammates. That's it. Thanks for watching.